Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video. We are going to be talking about Polestar. We are also going to be talking about its stock that it is trading right now. You're going to get a lot of great news today in this video. Before we get down into it and get started, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. If you are new to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. I also do have very nice promotions down below. If you use my link to Moomoo right now, it can guarantee you 2 free stocks valued up to $3,500 if you put in any amount of money and open that account. If you put in $100 or more, we'll give you a Christmas bonus special that you could win a iPhone 13 Pro. If you put in $2,000 or more, we'll grant you 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Take advantage of this. My viewers have recently received Tesla stock, Apple stock, and Amazon stock. So congratulations to those viewers. I did now want to transition and talk to you about the EV startup company Polestar. Polestar has been out there quite a bit a while now. For over 1 year, it has branched off of Volvo and it has partnered up with a Chinese-based company called Geely. They are currently making 2 vehicles, the Polestar 1 and Polestar 2, but the big important news that just recently came out is the Polestar 3. It is going to be its brand new SUV, all-electric, all-American made vehicle that is going to be made in South Carolina, and we do now have unofficial rendering of this vehicle, and I did want to share this with you from this article from motor1.com. It is the 2023 Polestar 3, and this is how it could look. This is our exclusive unofficial rendering of this vehicle. Let me just show you a very nice detailed view of this vehicle. It is going to be made in the South Carolina facility. It is going to be made in the same plant as the Volvo XC90. And so they are going to be in the same plant, meaning that they will probably most likely share a lot of the same components of the vehicle, but it is going to be a very nice vehicle that is going to be produced very, very soon. This is an official picture of the Polestar 3 that was given to us by Polestar, but it has been rendered with technology to show what this vehicle could look like. And let me just unveil this, and this is a very beautiful vehicle. But if you do unveil this, you definitely see very nice clean lines. It looks very futuristic, very nice vehicle. And I do definitely think that this will be a very nice push for Polestar and its stock into the future, as this vehicle is looking very nice. In addition to this, I would also like to share some very important information that we know about the Polestar 3 currently. This article is from inverse.com. It is titled The Polestar 3, the Price, Release Date, Range, and Pictures of the American-Built Electric SUV. In my own opinion, I do think that this electric SUV will be very premium. It will be very nice for the American market. And I definitely think that it will increase Polestar sales in the United States and around the world. As you know, Polestar right now is selling electric vehicles around the world, and it is selling quite well with its Polestar 2, which is very competitive with the Tesla Model 3. So next, I did want to talk about what we know about the Polestar 3 moving forward, about its pricing, and what it can do for the company. So several questions that have been asked about the Polestar 3 is, when is it going to be available for the market? When is it going to be available for sale? Well, Polestar has said that the production of the Polestar 3 is expected sometime in the year 2022. It is the year 2023 model, so it looks like it will be available probably mid to late 2022. The suggested price of this vehicle is not currently released, but it looks like it will be a little bit more than currently the Polestar 2, which starts at about $45,900 for the long range single motor option. That is before any tax credits. However, with the Polestar 3, its main competitor, and it is going after the all-electric Porsche Taycan SUV, which does start about $70,000. So we're looking that the price of this vehicle should be right under $70,000, but right now there have not been any official details released by Polestar. Whenever we do evaluate Polestar, its range and its efficiency, we don't know quite details yet, but what we do know is that it could have the same range as the Polestar 2, which is anywhere from about 250 to 270 miles per range on a single charge. charge. Now, that does depend if you get the dual or single motor variant. The same thing will be in the Polestar 3. It will also come with a single motor and a dual motor variant, but there has been some speculation that its range could be more than 300 miles, which will be great for this SUV, and it will help with all that range anxiety that a lot of electric vehicles do have. It is also speculated what the Polestar 3 charging time will be like. Currently, just using the values and the numbers from the Polestar 2, it could take about 30 minutes to go from about 10 to 80% in charging in this vehicle. We'll definitely have to see, but right now it is assumed that this will be very similar with the Polestar 3. The Polestar 3, as I mentioned, is going to be competing against the Porsche. It will have an all-wheel drive version, which will have about 408 horsepower, 487 pound of torque, which is going to be very significant for its power and its speed. 0 to 60 times have not been released yet, but however, it has been speculated that it can go from about 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds using the all-wheel drive dual motor setup, and it could be a little bit slower with the single motor setup, about 0 to 60 in about 7 seconds, which is comparable to that of the Polestar 2. Now that we have really talked about Polestar 3 and its potential and beauty as a vehicle, let's talk about Polestar as a company and is it worth an investment? So Polestar right now is trading under the stock market as a special purpose acquisition company under Coors Goldenheim. The ticker is GGPI. This stock right now is quite cheap in my opinion. We have not had any analysts out there review GGPI or Polestar, and I do definitely think that this stock, in my own personal opinion, should be worth about $18 to $20 with the valuation of the company right now being at $20 billion. That being said, Polestar right now is producing its vehicles all over the world. It has international recognition, and it is selling in the United States, in Europe, and the Asian market as well. It is currently selling those two electric vehicles, the Polestar 1, which is the hybrid, the Polestar 2, it's an all-electric vehicle. Now, as you can see, we do have the Polestar 3 coming out. I do definitely think that there will be some demand for this vehicle, which will also be very good for the company and very good for this stock. Now, GGPI, the SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company, will be doing the merger at the beginning of the year 2022, and I did just want to talk about its stock and see how it's doing. In the past one day, it has been trading probably about sideways. We have ended the day at $11.50. The highest that we did reach was about $11.80 in that day. Even in the past 5 days, we are still trading sideways. We are not really having big highs. The highest point that we received in the past 1 week has been $12.50. The lowest that we have been is about $11.45. But this stock, again, in my own personal opinion, it should be worth about $18 to $20 with the market capitalization and the valuation of Polestar at $20 billion. Again, once we start having those analysts from Wall Street start reviewing this, I definitely think that this stock will have a very nice chance of going up and have a nice potential of moving upward and a very low percentage of losing or risking going down on your money. We have tested a high of a resistance at $15.33 just for a short period of time, but we have mostly traded around that $13, $14 mark. So I am calling this the next resistance point that we do definitely need to penetrate. We do definitely need to go past. But right now we are starting to see a stabilization at $11.50. In my own personal opinion, if you can get the stock under $12, you are getting a steal of a deal in this stock. Even if you can get this stock under $13, it is still a great deal, as this has a very nice potential, as you could see, to go up to that $13, $14 mark. But in my own opinion, I do definitely think it should be trading around $18 to $20. I did just want to also transition and talk to you about what Wallet Investor is projecting for this company. Remember, Wallet Investor does use technical analysis and past trading history to predict how the stock will do into the future. The next 12-month forecast, 1-year forecast, this stock, they are suggesting it should be closer to $19 in the next 1 year. In my own opinion, I think this is very conservative. I do think that this will be a lot higher, but in the next 5 years, it is forecasted that it should be about $46. But right now, the stock is about $11.60 As you can see, this has a very nice potential to increase your money into this stock. But again, these are my own opinions. Always please do your own due diligence, your own research before purchasing this or any of the stocks, as I am not your financial advisor. But overall, I do believe in Polestar. I do definitely think that it is a very nice company that will be available to the masses. At these price points with new startup EV companies, this is a very nice price point to get in to this as an electric vehicle if you are in the EV market, and it does have a very nice competition with the Tesla Model 3. But if you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit all my videos. Also, if you can, share this video with others, your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow this channel. Also, do not forget to take advantage of those very nice promotions down below. I do have some from Webull. If you put in any amount of money into Webull, you get a potential of 6 free stocks. Also, if you use my account to Moomoo, using the link down to Moomoo has the best promotion. If you open an account, put in any amount of money, you will be guaranteed 2 free stocks valued up to $3,500 each. If you put in $100 or more, we'll give you a Christmas special bonus to get you a free gift of an iPhone 13 Pro. Put in $2,000 or more, give you 3 additional chances of getting 3 additional stocks valued up to $3,500. Take advantage of that, as this will not last long. But thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. But remember, go out there and make some money. But most importantly, have fun, enjoy life. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. And have a great weekend. Thank you.